In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove the new adware, which is called LivingAware. So LivingAware is an adware that is specifically designed to attack Mac computers. We don't really know why it is called like that, LivingAware, but this application functions indeed as a typical adware. It may display its own advertisements on top of the page that you intend to read. So these ads, by LivingAware, actually prevent you from properly reading the content of the decent websites that you want to visit. LivingAware adware may also collect some browsing related data. It may spy on your browsing activities and perform some other illegal actions on your computer. If you see this program called LivingAware, you should urgently undertake the measures and get rid of it immediately from your Mac computer. So how to remove this LivingAware application? Access the Finder, go to Applications. When you find this program, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious applications here, you should get rid of them too. I would also recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got several free features like disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button and begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer. You will see the summary of all the threats which were found on your computer at the end of the scanning. Combo Cleaner antivirus for Macs works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, ransomware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization programs, and other types of malware, including this adware that we have been talking about today. So you need to wait until the scanning is over. You will see the summary of the threats which were found on your computer. Based on that summary, you will be able to remove some threats manually, but we recommend that you upgrade to Premium, because this is the best solution to keep your Mac free of any other possibly hidden threats.